takeoff. The home point has been updated.
What's up, ladies
Please
and
check
gentlemen?
it on the
Adrian
map.
from Mateo Drones. I'm still here in Palm Bay, Sebastian, Florida. I'm over here still with the guys from the meetup. Let me go ahead and do a little turn so you guys can see him. There could be some of the fellas right here. Some of them already left, but some of them are still here. I'm here having fun with the guys. They're gonna tell me a little bit. What's up? I'm using the Dji Mavic to zoom right now. Let me just take it for a stroll. Right now we're here at a park. There's somebody flying a DJI FPV drone. I'm gonna go way over there. I'm just cruising around a little bit over here at the park. Leave it at about, let me calm down a little bit more. I'll leave it at about 86 feet up in the air. Beautiful park. I'm just gonna do a little cruising, go up to about 100, just to feel safe. No, I don't need your help. I'm good. This is a GPS drone. This ain't no FPV. This is Carlos over here messing with me right now.
But dude, move! Come on! What are you doing? Seriously, de verdad. Go forward.
Guys, it's already up all the way.
This is not you right here in front of me?
No,
oh,
I'm way over there. No,
who's this?
That's him right there.
Come on, Mike, move that baby.
That's Mike over here. Carlos over
sideways.
here messing with me.
Are you live or anything?
No, I'm just recording, doing a little
okay.
video right now.
With audio?
Yes. Don't
Adrian,
worry about it.
Adrian, you were really good last night. The way you cuddled with me.
This is Carlos over here fucking with me, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, last night we were, but not now.
Now he
no,
over
we're
here,
just hanging
now
out.
he over here hugging me, touching my shoulders. Get away from me.
Come on, you're supposed, you know, Latins are supposed to be more affectionate.
See, okay, I'm about to move now. Oh, Lord have mercy. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. Getting a little bit of an FPV hiccup. Let me just go ahead and bring the drone back. Stroll using the DJI Mavic 2 zoom. Over here. Bring this bad boy back home. Mavic 2 zoom. Mavic 2 zoom. Ronnie Bell also. Got to meet Ron Lockwood. Got to meet a lot of the guys. Jim Boyd, Captain Ray Kelly is the one that went ahead and set up the meetup. Let me go ahead and just bring this bad boy down, let somebody else fly. We over here all taking turns to go ahead and fly, so. That's all I got for. Oh, sorry, bro. The camera out the runway. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna fly some more later, but I'm about to go and bring it down. See you later. Hope you enjoy.